post sa social media, ay nag-viral si Pauline Luna dahil patungkol ito sa pagiging isang ina. Ito ay para sa anak nila ni Vic Soto na si Tali Soto, na magtatatlong taon na ang edad. Inihayag niya dito na si Tali ay ibang-iba na ngayon dahil gumagawa na ito ng kanyang sariling desisyon. Bukod pa rito ay ipinangako ni Pauline Luna sa kanyang anak na anuman ang mangyari sa buhay ay palagi siyang nandyan para sa kanyang anak bilang isang ina nito. Ayon sa bahagi ng taos-pusong mensahe nito para sa anak. As you turn 3 years old in exactly 4 days, I can't help but be emotional as I realize that you're really getting so big and growing up now. In just a span of a few weeks, she suddenly has her own decisions already, like where to sleep, who to sleep with, what to eat, etc. Bakit ang bilis ng panahon? It was just like yesterday, where I can bring you anywhere and you will just say yes to everything I tell you to do. Life is happening. I just really pray that you'll grow up to be a kind, giving, understanding, and humble person. I will always be here, my love. Always and forever. Your mommy, I'll be.
Share, subscribe.